Hello everyone. So this video is all about like how we can send the Slack notification using the incoming webhook URL through our any of the RPA bots or through any scripting files. So let's get started. Let's quickly look how we can enable the incoming webhook URL and how we can use the incoming URI to send out the notification. So to do that, just quickly search Slack API, and as soon as the very first URL which will appear, api.slack.com, just click on that. Once it is loaded, click on the your apps. If you already logged in into your browser, it will give you the create app option. If it is not, then it will ask you to sign in to your Slack. Let's perform the login part here. Click on the sign in again, and just just enter your email address with which you want to make the login, or the same way it's going to be apply if you want to create a new account. Just enter your email id and the verification code will go to your inbox. Just type those verification code, the 6-digit verification code, and confirm it. It just take a few minutes to validate those. Let's quickly skip that part. Now it will redirect you to the Windows application. Click on the sign in to Slack. So we'll quickly do the sign in through Windows application as well. So we already created a creative studio in our Slack, and in this, like, if you have to create a new channel, you just click on the channel, create channel, and type some meaningful name. We already have a one channel created, RPA bot notification, which we're going to use it for sending out the notification. So let's quickly look. Again, launch the Slack API. Click on the first URL. Now we already logged in into our web browser, so it will directly give you create your first app or create your app. Now hit on the create an app, and now we want to create it from the very scratch. So we'll define the name, and then it will ask you to select your workspace name. So we have only workspace in our Slack, so it is creative studio. We do not have multiples, so it is just in the drop down showing one name, creative studio. So now in this creative studio we have created a one app which will help us to send out the notification. So now the second part is to enable the incoming webhook. We'll click on the incoming webhook. If you see, it is loading, and here is the documentations like which can help you again how we can set up everything. So you just enable the toggle for activating the incoming webhook. So these are the steps, like create a Slack app, which we already did. We created a A360 notification, which is our app. Now we have done the enabling the incoming webhook, which we enabled it, and now here it is asking to create an incoming webhook. So let's quickly do that. Click on the add new webhook. Now just add few letters of the Slack channel which you want to send the notification. It will auto populate. So we're going to use RPA bot notification, and now click allow. As soon as we done, it already added a row which is having your webhook URL for RPA bot notification, and the above it's showing the format of the API calls, how we can use it. So let's quickly copy and create a new task file. Let's name it Slack notification. So it says it's a post method. We're going to use our REST API functionality of A360. Paste the URI which we copied from the page. Now this is the body part which I'm copying from here, and just paste it in the parameter, and just type something meaningful with whatever you want to send out as a notification. Yep. Now store the output of this API call into one of the variable, user defined variable. So pardon here, like it's supposed to be a key as body, but we typed wrongly response. Let's update it here, save, run the bot. So it started deploying. So it has failed, and we'll quickly correct it, which is a body. We'll save it, we'll run it back again. So RP notification channel where the notification has to come. Now the bot had started. So we have a response as okay. So it means the API call is successful. And if you see, like, it has added hello, welcome to the bot notification channel. Let's quickly create a new channel. Let's give it as a name sample, sample E360 channel. And now we're going to use this one to create an incoming webhook and send the notification in this channel. So as of now, I do not want to add any people in it. Let's go and add the new webhook in workspace. Now again, we'll type a few initials of the channel. Yep, we have a name. Click allow. Now the another row has been added with the sample A360. We'll copy the webhook. We'll go back to our task file. Let's change the URI, update the new one, and change the wordings here for the message which we want to send. Sample Slack channel. And let's quickly save and trigger the bot. If you see here, it shows A360 integrated. So our app, all the time when we generate a new web incoming hook, it integrate that app to our Slack channel. So again, the response is okay, we're good. Now we have received the Slack communication. So this is how you can send out the notification. Similar way, we can use the same incoming webhook URI to send the notification through any of the scripting file, Python or JavaScripts, or any of the programming languages. So I hope you find this video as useful. So